In today's lesson, we are going to explain about HTML formatting. Formatting elements were designed to display special type of text, like bold text, to emphasize the text, strong text, small text, put a mark on the text, deleted or strike through text, underline text, subscripted text, and superscript text. So I have written a code for all of these formatting elements. So we will run our program. So side by side I will explain to you. See, the first line, title, page title, goes here. This is the execution of this code. Then H1, HTML formatting. This is the execution of this code. This is a first paragraph. Now the HTML formatting starts from here, B. So this is a bold text. You can see the browser change this text into a bold format. Then this is emphasized like italic text. This is a strong text like a bold. This is a small text for citation, for some references maybe you will use in your web browser. So you have to put this HTML code. Then there is a mark code. Mark, you have to put a mark code, mark tag. So you can see this is a normal, but once I put a mark and after there is a content of mark tag, there is a content bold. So bold is changed into yellow highlighted text. Del, like strike through text, means something has been deleted. Underline text. So you can see the text is underlined. Sub tag. So this is a superscripted text. So I will give you an example in the next line how the superscripted can be shown in a web browser. So this is a superscripted text. Example of subscript text. I have put it here H2O. You can see it is a H2O, but here I put H. So this is the H resultant, and this is the subscript 2, that is the half way down to this word. So the sub tag is applied on 2, so it gone halfway down, and then there is a O, that is normal because the sub tag has been closed here. Then there is the next superscripted text. So you have to use SUP. So this is the superscripted text. So how to explain further? I have given one example of superscript 7 square. So in a mathematics, like 7 and above the 7 we have to put a 2. So this is halfway up to that number. So we have put 7 and SUP, sup, superscript, and 2. 2 will go up to 7. So this is the answer is 49. So even we are not doing any calculation here, but it is a simple example and representation how the superscript is acting.